Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about the concept of access types. When we upload our data into the container, then we can select different access types as per our requirement. The Azure is providing different types of access types. One is hot tier, second one is cool tier, third one is archive tier. Now we'll discuss one by one. One is a hot tier. Here in hot tier, it is an online tier optimized for storing data that is accessed or modified frequently. Then we have to use the hot tier. We can access or modify. Then if we are frequently done accessing or modified, we have to use the access tier is hot tier is used. Then if we are using the cool tier, it is an online tier optimized for storing data that is infrequently accessed or modified. Infrequently accessed or modified, we have to use cool tier is used. Here, if we are using the access tier is hot tier is highest storage cost and the lowest access cost. Highest storage cost and the lowest access cost. If we are using the cool tier, it is the, if we are using the cool tier, it is the lowest storage cost and highest access cost. It is the lowest storage cost and highest access cost. And also, if you are using the access tier is cool tier, the minimum 30 days we have to provide for the storage. That's the minimum. Next, the another access tier is archive access tier. Here, the archive access tier is it is an offline tier that is for storing the data. It is an offline tier optimized for storing the data that is rarely accessed and that is flexible latency requirements. The minimum 180 days it is required for storing the data. Here it is an offline. Now we come to see this is an archive tier. It is work at blob level only. Now we look at this with hands-on. I open my Azure account, go to the storage account, click on create option. Here subscription is pay as you go. Resource group is US102. I am given the storage account name is Seshadri CSC. I am given. Scroll down. Here, scroll down. Click on review. Click on create. Yeah. Now we observe at the top notification, deployment is succeed. That is, it is creating the storage account with the name Seshadri CSC. Now I am creating the container. At the left side in the storage account, under the data storage, containers option is there. Click on that. Click on container. I have to give the container name is, I am given the container name is, my name I am given. Click on create option. Container is created. Now, now, if you scroll down in the storage account, under the settings, configuration is there. Click on that. Here, if you see blob access style, what the default access style is there? Hot air. Hot air. Now, if you want to change access style to cool, then we can click on this option and then click on save option. At the top notification, it is updated and successfully updated the storage account. Now, the access style, it is converted to the cool. Now, I had to open the container, the storage account, Seshadri CSC. I can click on the container. I had to upload the objects. Click on upload option. Browse for files. Here in my desktop images folder, I'm selecting the objects. Click on open. Now in advanced tab, you have to see that what the access style is there. Cool. Click on upload. Successfully uploading blobs. Now I'm uploading one more object. Click on upload. Browse for file. I'm uploading this object. Click on open. Click on upload. Now we observe what the access style here. For bird image, cool. For peacock image, what the access style? Infrared. Now I want to change the access style for this object. Click on this. Here at the top, change tire option is there. See that. At the top, change tire option is there. Click on this. Now, this we can click on access tire to hot tire. Then we can click on this option. Click on save option. Successfully updated access tire. Now, go to the containers. Click on container. Now see that access tire for this object, it is changed. For this access, it is changed. Now, when we click on this object, peacock object, what is the access style? Full. Now I change this access style into the archive tire. Then we can click on change access style option is there. Click on that. Here we can change access style as archive. Here, if you select the archive, setting the access style to archive will make your blob inaccessible until it is rehydrated back to hot or cool, which may take several hours. Click on save option. Successfully, it is updated. Successfully, it is updated. Now, if you click on the container, see this object, peacock object. What is the access type? Archive. Now, if you want to convert the archive type to the hot tire or cool tire, it is taking an hours to convert the access tire. That is rehydrate, it is required. Now you can click on this object. Now what is the access tire is there? That is archive. That is if you want to change this access tire, archive to cool or archive to hot, then it may take some time. That is, we can click on this option here. I'm changing this as cool. Then what it is representing? Rehydrate priority. That is, when we change the access type, archive to cool or hot, rehydrate priority. Rehydrate priority. That is, there are two types of priorities are there. We can select as per our requirement. That the two types of rehydrate priorities are. One is a standard priority. Second one is a high priority. That is, if we choose the standard priority, that is a rehydrate request will be processed in the order it was received and may take up to 15 hours. If we are selecting the rehydrate, the high priority, the rehydration request will be prioritized over standard priority request and may complete in less than 1 hour for objects under 10 GB in size. 10 GB in size. So as per your requirement, you have to choose rehydrate priority. Now I want to convert this access type archive to pool. That is as per your requirement. You may choose either standard priority or highest priority. Here I am choosing the standard priority. Click on save option. Successfully updated access type. Now go to the container. Go to the container. Now see that in this object, what is the access type? Archive is there. That is to convert this access type to cool or hot type. It may take some time. That is as per your requirement. Here to convert archive to cool tier, I am selecting the standard. That is minimum it is taking 15 hours. That's why here archive status is rehydrate pending. See that. Those are the steps we have to follow in the access tier. How we can change the access tier for hot tier to cool tier to hot tier, and hot tier to archive tier. How we can change archive tier to the cool or hot tier. Those are the steps we have to follow. Okay. Thank you.